Hello everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. So let's start with 10 words of today, and our first word is any. As you can see, I have typed any in the search box of online Cambridge Dictionary, and it shows me the pronunciation of this word in American and British English. You can find the pronunciation of any word by using this method or follow me through to learn 500 most frequently used words in English language. The next word is new. New. Work. Work. Heart. Heart. Take. Take. Get. Get. Place. Place. Made. Made. Live. Live. Where. Where. Keep practicing pronunciation of these words and leave your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you again. Until then, bye bye.